This is the router table I made. I just clamp it on my workbench when I'm working indoor. I place the leg there. This is the palm router I use. Now, instead of removing the base, almost all the YouTube videos show you how to attach this by removing the base and then screwing the base somewhere on the router table. But the design I made enables me to place this on the router table without having to remove the base. So it's attached, I place it on my table, and then if they want to use it manually again, I just remove it. This stopper here is permanently attached. This one slides. There are two slits here, and then I use nut and bolt so that I can slide this to accommodate the router. You have to put a round area here to accommodate the body of the router, which is cylindrical. So it's easy to install this. All I have to do is move this stopper to the right and then put this here and then tighten the nut under. If I want to use it manually again, I just loosen the nut under, slide this stopper here, and then pull the router out. So I don't have to screw this under the table. I just have to plop it inside here easily, so that the router won't be moving. You have to pull this stopper to the left while you tighten the nuts under. You can use a butterfly nut or an ordinary nut so that it doesn't move anymore. Be sure that your router base is in line with the surface of the table. If you find out that your router base is not flush with the surface of the table, just place a washer under so that this will lift up and then be in line with the surface of the table. So now it's in line already. Okay, time for coffee. Oh yeah.